Dakota College about no time, and we have the wonderfully fabulous and so chipper and energetic Michelle Cauley. Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing today?
I am moderately neato. Mm-hmm. You are.
I am fabulous.
Fabulous. Oh man, I wish I could say the same. But you're always fabulous when you come in.
I try. It's a phenomenal opportunity to be out here and hang out with you in the morning. So how could I not be fabulous?
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Folks, did you hear that? Did you hear that? That was Michelle. Thank you very much. And thank you for being here. And we're talking drones this morning.
Absolutely. A lot going on with drones right now as well. We have an industry boot camp happening at our college next week. Our NSF grant that we received for teaching about UAS and drones and how to educate people on the proper use of them and get them out into industry and to educate them about all the career opportunities that people can have by getting licensed and flying drones. So we're hosting that boot camp for some industry partners next week, which is really exciting. And then this summer, we're actually hosting an online course that people can register and sign up for that will teach them all the rules and regulations so they can go out and get their pilot's license and be legally able to fly commercially with their drones.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. And this is happening when?
So the industry boot camp is happening next week. We're excited to have bring a lot of our partners on campus. Mm-hmm. The online course actually starts in June. So registration's open right now for people to sign up. And that can happen right through our DCB page. And then we even have a camp for kids on introducing drone science to them and getting them flying. We're going to be up at Metigoshe State Park, which is a really big deal because you can't legally fly drones in the park. You have to have special permission.
And you got it.
And we got that special permission.
Awesome.
So we've got a camp up there on August 7th. To bring students in or bring anyone in, teach them about drone safety, get them their trust certification, their little, kind of like their learner's permit for drones.
Love it.
Yeah. And then get them flying in the park with a couple different drones, get them practiced, and get them that hands-on experience in a place where you wouldn't necessarily get that.
Wow. And the whole thing with the state park is cool because legally, you can't in any state park, right?
Any state park, exactly.
Unless you have special permission.
Yeah. And so we got that special permission from the state and they said, we'd love to have you here and bring the kids here.
Oh,
so
that is so cool.
Yeah.
Oh, through the trees, over the water.
I know.
All of it.
Just incredible. That's a kind of a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
I think it would be, yeah, definitely. So that's really cool. And that's coming up in August.
That's in August. But registration has opened already for the Metigoshe camps. So we know that, there is a limit. We're only taking about 10 kids in that group. So
how do we register?
Well, the Metigoshe State Park is right through their ShowClicks website. So you can either go to Metigoshe State Park, and that link's right there. Or if you go to ShowClicks, then you can register there as well. There's a lot of posters around the city. And if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me too at Dakota College, because I'll get you the right information and get you signed up.
Folks, this is Michelle Cauley, by the way.
Oh yeah,
Cauley. That's 2 L's in Michelle,
and an E at the end.
And an E at the end. Don't forget that E, that elusive E. And really quick, I know the drone thing is so cool. But also really cool is we now have a state rock. We
have an official state rock.
Yeah.
So it has officially been signed by the governor because it had to be in the legislative session.
Yeah.
Which ends on the 9th, I believe, on Friday.
This Friday, yeah.
Yep. So it had to be signed in that time period or it wouldn't have counted. Mm-hmm. And as of about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, our official state rock of North Dakota is Knife River Flint.
We didn't have one.
We did not have one.
Now there's only one state that doesn't have one, correct?
Yes.
And that is who?
That's Hawaii.
Okay.
We'll get them caught up.
Yeah. I think their state rock should be either magma or a lava rock.
Or a lava rock.
Yeah.
Or even like the peridot, the green sand that comes off the... Oh, that'd be really pretty. That
Folks,
green rock.
We just went above my pay grade here.
Sorry.
Nope. You're the rock person.
I could talk rocks all day. And my students know it.
Yep. Rocks. So you rock there.
Go geology.
Right. Woo. Yeah. That's a wonderful thing. Wonderful thing. So, and now the governor is going to come up here.
We're waiting to hear back from his secretary on the exact time and day, but it can't be during the legislative session. There's a lot going on. They were up until around 1 a.m. a couple days ago, dealing with some final thing. They're trying to crunch a lot in
the next few days.
So hopefully within the next week or two, we'll be getting a nice visitor up here.
That'd be awesome.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yes.
Well, good for you guys, and good for all the hard work that you all put in to get that state recognition.
Yeah, thank you. Well, good for Botno, though. Yeah. I mean, we've had some phenomenal support with our principals, our teachers, our staff and faculty at the campus and at the elementary and the K-12 building. So, again, we could not have done it without all of that support.
Very, very true.
It's a phenomenal very community.
True. Yeah. Great college, and thank you for being part of that.
Oh, my goodness, yes. It's an honor.
Well, you rock.
Thank you.
Drones rock as well. If we can combine the two important parts of the thing today, drones rock.
Drones rock. There we go. That's the message for today.
All right. Anything else you want to add, Michelle?
Have a phenomenal weekend that's coming up.
Yeah.
It's going to be gorgeous out.
You do the same.
These are the weekends that we need to hold on to.
Right?
No bugs. There's no bugs out yet.
Not yet.
I know.
Well, I did see somebody post on Facebook they found a tick.
Well, no mosquitoes.
Even better. All right. Michelle, thank you very much.